Hey, what's up, crew? Today be checking out some Supreme, some Chinatown Market, and some Yeezy Foam runners.
Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit.
Alright, first things first, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hit that little like button down below. Bell notification is always cool too. Just join this movement, you know, checking out different streetwear, being ethical about it. You know, all these items are very tradable around in the world. People want these items, they're coveted, but you know, you got to make sure you're getting authentic pieces. That's where channels like this come in, where you can check out different items. You can see legit pieces, see what they look like straight out of the bag. This is from Chinatown Market. They had a Saturday drop or something like that. It was a weekend special release. Chinatown Market goes off the whole vibes of bootlegging in New York, and they're actually going to be changing their name, I heard. I don't know. They're not sure what yet, but they just want to be conscious about the Asian community, make sure that we are having no hate for any people group. We have to stop Asian hate at all costs. But anyways, yeah, Chinatown Market. Got a sticker in this one, summertime vibes, so much summertime vibes. And then this one is their Rolex tee, but it's bootleg. So it doesn't say Rolex, it says Relax. And it's the perfect color, it's the green color, and even the gold, sort of yellowish tan gold of the homeschool Bulldog basketball team. I love to go see their games, kind of cheer them on and whatnot. My brother might just play for them. He's 17, so it'd be cool to get him playing some basketball. He's mainly been into kickboxing at Electric City Boxing here in town, but you know, COVID has stopped him. Anyways, on the back of the neck, you do have this wonderful tag, wonderful sizing tag, information for how to care for it, made in the US. And then the plastic on here, just some warning information, a little L sticker down below. But yeah, it's the perfect color. And it says relax, because you know, when you're in high school and you're trying to play basketball, your nerves can really get to you. That's a major problem with our homeschool team, because the homeschoolers, we're all kind of socially awkward. I was homeschooled. I was really socially awkward for sure. Just trying to find my place in life. I didn't really interact with a lot of other kids my age, so I didn't know what to do. So you gotta relax, right? Just take it easy. You're gonna make that shot. Just be confident. Go ahead, follow through everything. And yeah, so this Chinatown Market shirt I'm wearing right now, this is more of a summertime fit. This is a size medium, this other one is a size large. And so yeah, I'll throw this on so you guys can know the sizing for Chinatown Market. It looks like it's pretty standard sizing, just regular United States, definitely not slim fit or anything like that. Has a lot of good room in there, so should fit nice. Oh yeah, this tag, I didn't even realize it says Secret Club instead of like Chinatown Market or whatever. There's a C on there. Maybe that's their new name, it's gonna be Secret Club. I don't know. Alright, well, I'll throw this one on. Tell me what you guys think. And, alright, so, there's your sizing, size large. I am 6'1", 150 pounds. I mean, I'm basically like a hanger. That's why my name is a hanger. I was actually thinking about changing my name because I don't want to be causing trauma for people who have dealt with maybe family members who have suffered because of a hanging or something. I don't know. I think I was just getting trolled a little bit and people saying that name sucks or something. I really think it's a cool name. I'm not trying to be a play on words or anything. It's just a hanger. Well, I guess I'm like skinny like a hanger, right? So anyways, I'm getting into this Supreme. This is the week 5 spring summer 2021 collection with the North Face collab. I did get 2 very crisp Supreme stickers. Those are just immaculate. Those are some of the best condition stickers I've gotten from them ever. And they're supposed to be bubbles this season as a free gift, but I've ordered every single week and still no bubbles. I don't think that I'm going to get them just because I'm just not that special apparently. But I was able to snag this t-shirt. It was really, really cool. I love the little guy climbing on the bottom. But before I take it out of here and show you, here's the plastic on the outside. Some warning information. We got this sticker, little info sticker there. Looks like it is made in Vietnam. Hopefully everybody over there is getting treated fairly and whatnot. We always like to support businesses that are treating everybody in the process of manufacturing the product, you know, from start to finish. Supreme is normally pretty good about that, making sure that their clothing items are ethical, but they could be doing a lot better. They're making some changes and whatnot. So we'll hope in the future they continue to do that. I'm unfolding it here, and there is a little moisture reducer somewhere in one of these crevices. I hear it. Or maybe, oh, it's inside the t-shirt. Oh my goodness. What do we got going on in here? All right, here it is. I felt it. Yeah, they put it on the inside. So we do have a little embroidered the North Face and the mini box logo. So up in the top corner, you got that. Pretty cool there. And then there's that little guy down the side. I just thought he looked cool. Just climbing the side of your t-shirt. You know, nothing special. Just chilling. I'm sure it is pretty chilly wherever he's at. Oh, let's do these tags too. Why not? Got the tag on the back of the neck. Nothing really on the back. And then you have this paper tag here. Some more information inside there. And basically the same sticker tag is on the plastic. Yeah. Looking like they're pretty much duplicates there. And then on the inside left, down on the bottom, you've got this care instruction tag, authenticity tag, whole bunch of stuff on here. Got your QR code, your shiny thing, you know. I guess technically it's called a holographic image. That's kind of cool that they're doing that on their really hype pieces, so it's not as easy to duplicate or to replicate, because we know there's a lot of companies out there that want to make this exact t-shirt because it's so coveted, everybody wants it, and some people are willing to pay 20 bucks for something that's similar or whatever. It's nice to know a real authentic piece. You're not getting ripped off, because that has happened to me in the past. I gotten ripped off here and there. You know, you just gotta take it as it comes, just deal with it. But I'm gonna throw this one on, and we'll check out this size large Supreme the North Face t-shirt. And yeah, this one fits actually, kind of feels like it's a little bit smaller than that Chinatown Market, the relaxed t-shirt we just looked at. Feels like it's a little bit slim fit in a way. Maybe the North Face is doing that more athletic fit because it's an athletic brand. Definitely not as wide. Feels like maybe it's a little bit longer. Sleeves are about the same. It is a lot thinner than that relaxed tee. It's just a different sort of material, and it has that all over print. They did a really good job printing that, making it perfect. Because, you know, a lot of times you'll have like white marks and whatnot where the folds were in the fabric, but it looks like they printed the graphic first and then they completed assembly of the t-shirt. So it is going to be hard for duplicators or fake producers to replicate this item, which is great for us collectors. I do not like collecting items that are replica art items. I mean, Chinatown Market, they bootleg. So they take like really cool or trending brands and then they kind of put a weird spin on it, and it's just fun. Like, I like it. It's cool and trendy. But yeah, for these people that are doing exact duplicates, just exactly the same, I just don't have any love for that. I can't get down with it. You know, come up with your own shit, right? Make up your own new design or whatever, or twist on a current design that doesn't hurt anybody's feelings. Like Lil Nas hurting Nike's feelings by putting blood in the ink. I mean, he's just doing custom 97s, right? Air Max 97s. I mean, it's just a custom Air Max 9. It's nothing that bad. It's not a big deal. But he had to put a drop of human blood in there to make Nike sue his ass and whatever. I mean, I think his music video is dope. I'm saying that as a deconstructed Christian. I used to actually be a children's pastor, and yeah, I figured out all the terribleness of, I don't know, churches. But here's the tag on this box. There it is. Just that little thing. And then this actually was not taped down when I first opened. I kind of pushed it down a little bit. We'll open up this box. Should say foam runner right on the inside. Yep, foam runner down below. I wish I still had my old ones. I wore them a little bit and then I sold them to a dude for 400 bucks. Now I can wear this new pair. Pretty much the same color. They are definitely a lot darker, more tan, less white. You do have these tiny sizing stickers on the sole here. Got those right in there. There it is. Yeah, and you can kind of see the texture on there already. Definitely a dope silhouette. I mean, come on. I actually really liked these when they were first leaking images of them, and I was all over it on drop day last year when the first ones released. You guys can check out that video if you want. I show you a couple different ways to fit these shoes with some different pants or shorts or whatever. I'm just gonna rock them with what I got on now. Hopefully they work. On the inside of the box, I did forget to show you guys this new label. So on the inside, you've got this product label on drop and stuff. Yeah, foam runner. This should be coming with it. most likely, if you're getting them dead stock. It's always good to know all the little things that come along with sneakers, all the little special things in the box. Although it can be different retailer to retailer. This is the same exact size as I got last time, so we'll see how the 10 fits. Maybe it's exactly the same. Oh, it does say Foam Runner 10 US, made in USA, right on the inside. I'm just sliding these in. I didn't know if they were gonna go with these Calabasas, these sort of tan colorway. They do go pretty well together. I don't know about with this shirt, maybe, you know, doesn't quite match, but it works all right. But yeah, these things are giant. They're really big. This size 10, I'm normally a 10 and a half, so I actually sized down and my feet feel fine. I can definitely feel the edge of my toe on both of these, and my heel goes pretty much all the way to the back, so these basically fit my foot as perfectly as they could. I probably could have gone to a size 11 and they would have fit maybe a little bit better, but the morning that I was trying to get these, it was insane. That app just, the Adidas Confirmed app barely let me enter the drawing for these shoes. Like, they had 30 minutes that it was open, and about 4 minutes before it closed, I was able to finally enter the drawing with my size 10. I tried for the other colorway in a size 11. Did not snag those ones, but that's okay. There are a bunch of other foam runners that are going to release in the future. There's definitely going to be more coming out, releasing, because Kanye is on a roll. He is just go, 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 taking off and making changes. Oh man, can you guys even read this? This says, love enough, peace enough, good enough. End racism, obviously. Yeah, I'm all about making sure everybody is treated fairly, and that's mainly why I left the church. I told you guys earlier, I was a children's pastor before, and now I'm in a position where I'm deconstructing. I'm really accepting all religions, all things that help people be more loving and caring towards their fellow human being, whoever that may be, however they may look. We just need to accept all people. Homeless people or people experiencing homelessness. That's really what we need to be saying. Instead of somebody homeless, someone who is experiencing homelessness, because that person has value that's sitting on the side of the road on a bench or wherever they are, wrapped up in their blankets or whatever, to try and have some sense of security because their life has fallen apart, debt has crushed them. And yes, some people just feel like they just can't break out of that, and I think we need to really reach out to those people. Well, I'm really getting off track. Okay, I was actually gonna show you guys this meme that I found. So this one here is from The Naked Pastor. He's a really cool artist, motivational dude. He's a really big influencer, and he's influenced me, and hopefully his work can help you as well, possibly, to kind of wrap your head around this whole idea of deconstructing, if that's the path you're on, if you're kind of searching out religions. We have a blimp with a sign with an arrow down to a specific church that says, God is here now, and everybody flocking from the other churches to that special church where God is at, according to the blimp. This is so funny because it's so true. Whenever there was a special guest speaker in town, I mean, I'm like, oh, he's royalty, he's super famous in the Christian world or whatever. I definitely feel like I can get to deep levels all on my own. I can really think about my life, about how I need to change things and how I need to make the world different and better, and I've been thinking a lot lately about working less at my job, because I've been doing about 63 hours per week. It just leaves me no time to do anything. I mean, I do a little bit of filming, I have a book study, and then yeah, the other nights I spend with Ayyy. Honestly, this job is really taking a lot out of me, but it's been great though, because I do have a patent that I'm working on, and I've spent $17,000 just in 2021 on that patent to get it all finalized, and it'll be soon patent pending, and then I can tell you guys about it. Working all these hours has been good, so I didn't have to go into debt for that game patent that we're working on. But now I'm at a place where maybe I need to do a lot more painting, because I paint t-shirts. This one here is one of the ones I've recently done. This might actually be my most recent. It is an organic cotton made in an ethical factory in Mexico. I would like to make a bunch of prototypes of different ones that are available for people like you to purchase. And it's just hard for me to make time for that. I mean, if I get orders in, like if you want to order a t-shirt, definitely DM me on Instagram. If I get orders, I can make them up, and that's no problem. But to actually have time to create even new content or new colorways or things like that, that's something I'd really like to do, and I'm at a crossroads. Do I keep working all these overtime hours that they're offering me, or do I start saying, no, I can't work any overtime, or only what you force me to work? Because right now I'm just like, give it all to me. I need the dollars. I need the money. But yeah, I want to do the best thing for my future. And so one way you guys can let me know about what I should do is definitely hit me up in the DMs on Instagram. Let me know that you want to purchase a t-shirt, and if I get too many orders in, then I'm not going to be able to do the overtime. It's going to just change my life in general. It's put me on a totally different trajectory. And if I get enough orders from all of you, then I'll just, you know, have to kick the job to the side and just go full-time creator, which would be awesome. Something I would love to work towards. But I'll just keep crushing it, going after it while I'm waiting for this whole transition period to finalize, or maybe the rest of my life will just feel like a transition. I don't know. It just felt like it. I mean, 2017, I started doing these daily vlogs, and yeah, it feels like my life has really just transformed as it's gone on. So I'm very grateful. I am going to be doing a raffle here soon, so make sure you follow me on Instagram to find out about that. You'll also be able to keep up with all my stories. I do a couple every so often. I share different posts that are making my brains think. And also some different footage of me just out and about around the city delivering some mail and whatnot. I also started Clubhouse. I started using that app. It's a pretty cool social media app, so you can definitely find me on there, Stefan Long or The Hanger Stefan. Give me a follow, and I'll follow you back for sure. How you guys all feeling about Clubhouse out there? You like that new app? I've been kind of addicted to it, but I have to literally put my phone on a portable phone charger, because after a few hours my phone's about dead just using Clubhouse. And yeah, I got like 16 followers. That's kind of cool. I mean, I don't really know that many of the people, but I've been able to chat with them and get to know them a little bit. I don't know if YouTube is really into it, so I don't know how much I should be promoting it. Okay, let's see. What else do we got here? These new Adidas, I think they're going to be Yeezys. I think they're Derrick Rose Yeezys, but they don't look like they are for basketball, so now I'm thinking they're not Derrick Rose. This dude seems to think they are JJ, whatever. But it's really crazy because there's some Alexander Wang hints in there from some different Alexander Wang. Like the bottom of the shoe actually has all of these. These are kind of wore out now, but they have all those Adidas things on them. Like the trefoil just tripled up or whatever to be the pattern. Yeah, that's basic. It's almost the same pattern. It's a little bit different. I don't know. Maybe it was an Alexander Wang. Maybe not. If you guys like those hike lows, definitely hit up my video with those in there. I feel like, you know, after I post the video, I think, oh, I could have said this or that, or I could have given you this more information, because there's just so much content out there. Oh, these Yeezy Desert Boot, the ones that are blue on the bottoms, those are so fire. Oh my goodness, they are crazy. But I don't really want to play resale for them. I'm really into paying retail for everything I grab, and if I don't get something for the retail, I just basically skip it and wait till the next drop, unless I can't help myself. But right now I can, because I need to save money for that patent, and my wife Abby really wants me to have savings in the bank. Let's see. Oh, those New Balance Amoeba Music, those 992s, those things, it was a terrible drop. It was horrible. Hopefully they drop again. Yeah, I think that about wraps it up. So yeah, definitely give me a comment down below on this video about what you think about the fits and whatnot, and I will catch you in the DMs.
About to have a party in the hood. Ain't work but a snack, won't try to get a pill.